Welcome to Auto and RV Insider. Today, we are looking at a machine that redefines aggression. Stop what you're doing, because this isn't just a car, it's a statement. This is a custom-modified Corvette C8, and it's wearing a suit of armor that would make the Batmobile jealous. Is it the ultimate supercar killer, or is it all for show? Stay with me for the next 8 minutes, because I'm revealing a secret modification on this car that you've definitely never seen before. Let's roll. First things first, the elephant in the room. These doors. Usually, you'd need to spend $400,000 on a Lamborghini to get this look, but this C8 has been fitted with custom scissor doors. It changes the entire vibe of the car. Look at the lines, the gloss black finish with these subtle red accents on the wheels and the aero kit. It's wide, it's low, and it looks like it's doing 200 miles per hour even when it's parked in this showroom. Underneath that glass sits a 6.2 L V8 engine. Because it's mid-engined, the balance of this car is incredible. We're talking about 495 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of just 2.9 seconds. When you're behind the wheel, the sound of that V8 right behind your head is intoxicating. It doesn't just drive, it screams. On the road, it feels planted, and the dual-clutch transmission shifts faster than you can blink. Step inside the cockpit, and you'll see why they call this the fighter jet of cars. Everything is tilted toward the driver. You've got this unique bridge of buttons and a premium infotainment system that is lightning fast. The materials here feel high-end, and the visibility, surprisingly, is better than most supercars. But is it comfortable for a daily drive? Actually, yes. It has a tour mode that makes it feel as smooth as a luxury sedan. Now, let's be real for a second. Owning a car this modified has its challenges. That front lip is dangerously low. You'll be sweating every time you see a speed bump. And those doors? You need a lot of vertical space in your garage. You're trading practicality for pure, unadulterated style. For most of us at Auto and RV Insider, that's a trade-off we're willing to make. But you need to know what you're getting into. The real magic of this C8 is the head-turn factor. You can park this next to a Ferrari, and people will still walk over to take a photo of this. It offers hypercar looks for a fraction of the price. It's the perfect blend of American muscle and European exotic styling. So what do you think? Is this the best-looking C8 in the country? Drop a comment below and let me know if you'd take this over a standard supercar. If you love this review, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Auto and RV Insider for more exclusive car content. And I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.